Hey guys, let me welcome you in your most favorite channel, the English Club. And today I am here to have a very short speech on the topic importance of English. So why do we learn today English? What are the advantages of learning English? If you don't know English, what will happen? If you know English, what will happen? Let me conclude here at the beginning. Means if you know English, the world is yours. Guys, you are watching the English Club. Now I would like to call your most favorite student whose name is Priya, and she is going to make a very short speech on the topic importance of English. So Priya, are you ready? So come beta. Okay. Hold it and now introduce first and now make a speech here.
Hello everyone, my name is Priya Kumari. I am going to tell about a short speech from topic in importance of English. So let's start. As the importance of the English language is clear now, we move on to why we must learn the English language. First of all, it is a global language. It is so common that 1 out of 5 people can speak or understand this language. Further, learning the English language can help in getting a job easily, as it has become the English language of many fields. It automatically increases the chances of landing a good job in a good company. In addition, it helps with meeting new people, as it is the official language of 53 countries.
And so on and so forth. Next points.
Learning it helps to break the language barriers. Most importantly, it is also the language of the internet. Another important reason to learn this language is that it makes traveling easier. Being a widely used language globally, it will help you connect with people easily. Similarly, it is also essential in the world of business. It does not matter whether you are an employee or employer. It benefits everyone. Uh, students students who wish to study abroad must definitely study
English
main.
language. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Something more points you have?
Yes, sir.
So now tell me.
Many countries use their schools and universities, so it can offer a good opportunity for students. Thank you.
Wow, that's great, friends. So, friends, clapping for her. Nice speech. Thank you. So, friends, you have learned and listened the importance of language. Two statistics she presented very nicely. Friends, if you visit all over the world, if you get 5 people, out of 5, one person who understand English as well as speak English. Two things there. And now 53 countries are in this world who can use English as their official language. Let me tell you the history of English, historical, geographical backgrounds. Friends, the term English has derived from the West Germanic tribes, and there are 3 tribes: Angles, Jutes, and Saxons, right? Near about 450 AD, they invaded England. Actually, that time this was called England. Later, it converted into England, and the language is called English. And it is further classified into 3 ages. The first English that we called Old English, its span is 450 AD to 1150 AD, and the second one is Middle English. It goes from 1150 AD to 1500 AD, and the third one is that is called Modern English, where we are learning today, and that English starts from 1500 AD to onwards. So this is the importance of language. Another thing we also discussed. It is very important for particularly the students who want to study in abroad. They must learn English. They need to understand the importance of English for the international meetings, just like international events, Olympics, World Cricket, footballs, and so many other events. where English plays a vital role, right? Nowadays, we can say English has become the language of internet, right? It has become the language of educations, medicines, technology, and so forth. Definitely, we can say, which I told at the beginning, if you know English, the world is yours. This quote is proved by the speech made by Priya. So I hope once again you need to put your hands together, clapping for her once again. And now it's time for all my viewers for her great effort. I have a few pens for everyone actually, and I want to just one take it beta, and I just wish you that you need to work hard, and I also wish that you will prosper in your future, and that's all. Thank you beta. Now also I want to just call the students who has made 100 sentences, right? Who of you are them? Just stand, all of you. Yes, stand. Yeah. So, see, another friends, let me just tell you, these students once they have become the winner in a contest, and the condition and is that I have told them to make 100 sentences, and they have done this. So, for this opportunity, for this achievement, actually, I decided to give or offer him a pen. So, take it, Priya. It's benefits for you. Yes, what are you? And yes, what are your name? Rani, thank you, beta. And your name, beta? Move it, move it. Yes, beta. Actually, beauty. Okay. And next one, beta. What's your name? Khushi. Yes, beta. Okay. Okay. Thank you, beta. You also take it. Yes, beta. You. What's your name, beta? Actually, Kiran Kumari. Okay. And yes, beta. Your name? Puspa Kumari. Thanks, beta. Yes, beta, your name? Okay, sit down, beta. You sit down. What's your name? What? Bubbly Kumari. Thank you, beta. Abdi. Yes, beta, your name? Himanshi Kumari. And one thanks for the those one, and we will say the most important person who helps us for just making this video, who is just my coordinator and assistant. So whose name is actually tell beta your name. अमन कुमार. एक्चुअली ही इज बियॉन्ड द कैमरा, ही इज नॉट विजिबल. सो एक पेन उनके लिए भी है. और एक बार बेटा सेशन के अंत में हम सब के लिए, खुद के लिए एक बार जोरदार क्लैपिंग करेंगे. So thank you. That's the end of today's session. I hope you enjoyed today's session, and that's all. Thank you.